Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you how you can create a website in Sitey. So this is the page, and first you have to log in or sign up. If you have an account, so you can log in or not, you can create one. So get started. Okay. In this case, I am going to continue with my Google account. So you decide if you want to create one or just a Google account. My name. Okay, so we are going to start with the first one. And this one. So these are the templates that you can use for your website. So you can see it, or if you wanna use this, so you can choose it. This key, I'm going to create one, choose it. Design is important in when we create web pages, in this case websites, because it helps us to organize the content in the correct way to achieve the students and people can read it easily and fastly. Sitey. Okay, and we have this. So in this part, these are the elements that it offers: element, pages, sections, design, blogs, store, and others. So you can change, for example, design. We can write web design. You can change the type, fonts, size, and others. In elements, you can add buttons, contact, files, and others. You can add this. Sections. These are the sections of the website to achieve you organize it correctly. Design. You can change the font, the background, this is the background, or this one. So okay, if you wanna, you can change the colors of the website, fonts, and styles of the text. Like these are the web pages. For example, here the page about, and you can edit the content. When you finish, save. You have to write the domain. For example, here web design. Save. Okay. I write my name because I know that my name is not common, so it could be a good option for the website. Okay, and then publish my website. We can omit this. Okay, and this is the way how we can create a websites. So I hope you like this one. Okay, see you next video. Bye.